That's just what gangsters do. Ooh, I'm messed up. Okay, so here I am wanting to do cosplay with Harley Quinn. How can a granny that's African American transform into Harley Quinn? I can't. She's a banger. How can I do that? What I can do is get close to it. So this is a video of me trying to see if I can transform into Harley Quinn, even though you guys know I don't know how to do makeup either. So let's get started. If you want to see my process and you want to, I don't know, hang out and just watch, that'd be great. Also, please subscribe to my channel, like the video. I mean, it'll go a long ways. Mwah. Thank you. Stay tuned. This is a little better. So I'm using Maybelline New York Master Prime Base for Blur Redness Control Pigments. That pigment. Majority of the stuff that I use, I get from Walgreens. I went to Walgreens and I got this Maybelline New York Dream Radiant Liquid. It is shade, does it give me a shade number? 125 Coconut. I don't know, but I did this on my live and it turned out perfect. So we're going to pull this back a little bit. As you see, I got gray hair. So the gray is going to turn brown. Let's go ahead and get this on. I use a brush. So anyways, here's my blender. It's wet, so I'm using my blender to blend in, to give it more of a set in type of look. Look at that. I don't have a beauty mode on or anything. That's beautiful. All right, so this is kind of dirty, but this is the LA Colors Fancy Eyeshadow Palette. I am going to use this dark brown right here. That one. Let's see. To color in my eyebrows. Me realizing you can see my eyebrows. So now we're going to use some highlighter. And actually we're going to use that palette again when we do our, yeah. So we're going to use our highlighter. So, oh, it's Wet n Wild highlighter, concealer, light ivory. Because Harley Quinn is really pale. So we're trying to give off that pale look. I don't put a lot of this on here because...
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service.
And are African Americans, so we don't do a face that's not ours. We're gonna use a lighter highlighter. When I was blending this, I actually was thinking to myself, oh my gosh, I did this wrong. But I needed the highlighted portion of this to give off that Harley Quinn look. because she's really pale. Believe me. All right. So this is how I contour. So I take a little brush because I don't know what I'm doing. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, well, this one, most likely. I need a deeper one, so I'm going to use this deep one, and maybe this might work. I like this glow. It's like a shimmery type. A what? What? I'm gonna use this to contour my face, which looks kind of crazy right now. And I'm gonna bake everything, right? So you see that? That's the baking powder. So I'm gonna take the end of my stick and I'm gonna move it up like this. Cause I wanna bake, 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 bake. Look at that, you can probably hear my... Yeah, I'm doing something there so loud. I'm doing this one, the edge of it. I'm gonna get under my eyes. Just breathing. So you see I got under my eyes. Now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna start coming down with it. So those are just my starter ones. And this is gonna come on the side. You see, remember when I put my highlighter over there? So we're basically just making watermarks down my face. And now we're just gonna blend it. Not a lot. But so it's not really, you know. We gotta do one for here. So it's not really neat, if I should say. So then what we're gonna do is we put this here. I need a bigger desk, y'all. We're gonna do a crease. This is the first time I'm doing this, but I always see a famous YouTube makeup person do it. His name is James Charles. He uses foundation, so we're gonna cut the crease here. I don't know what I'm doing. But I see him do it all the time. Because what I want to do with this is I want to make it more, I want to put a different red in there. I think that'd be pretty cool. So I want to put like a pinkish red, like this pinkish red right here, right there. Or mixed with this one, with this red that's right next to the one that I used. That red and that pink. Let me do it like this. That pink and that red. So we're gonna go in with the red. We're gonna mix it with the pink. Mix it back with the red. We're gonna go in just like that. At this point, that's when I knew I messed up. See, it looks the same. But we're gonna go back in with the pink because I think that it needs just a little bit more pink. Because we're still trying to be girly girl. Girly girly. For this beautiful specimen of a female. Now, we are gonna go back in with a lighter color to give it like a shimmer, because I don't have shimmer stuff. Can you believe that? Let me put this here. I have a resting thing right there. All right, so hoping that I didn't mess up my concealer by putting it on there. It doesn't look like I did. So now we're gonna do the other side. I think it's pretty cool. A lot of people on my TikTok really enjoyed this tutorial I did online. I hope you guys enjoy it as well, because I enjoyed it. I didn't have faith in myself that I'd be able to do this. And now that I've done it, it's like I'm actually scared that I'm not gonna be able to do what I did on live. Because when I was on live, I was doing the doggone thing. Like, it was really good. But on here, there's like no beauty mode. So I'm using a dark blue and a light blue, and I'm gonna mix them together. And I'm gonna paint my eye with this beautiful color. Yeah. Yeah, so just watch me paint my eye with this beautiful color. Music break. It looks like I need to love him. I love him. I love him more each day. Hey, hey, I'm not gonna cut the crease on this one. Because he cared for me in a very special way. That's why I praise him. I lift him up. I will magnify. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the shimmer out, and I'm going to. So see, I put that right back. That plastic, because these other ones aren't done like that. All right, so there is a shimmer, and that is all. I'm gonna use this shimmer in here. Somehow I'm gonna make this work, you guys. And I'm going to get a buffer. I might have to pull them out again because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, wish me luck. So I'm taking this because I want to put a little shimmer in the red. I don't even think you can see it, like. I think for me to do this, I need to wet it a little bit. It's got red in it now. As good as I'm not gonna touch it no more, because I don't want to mess it up. Wipe off my brush. All right. Next thing, mascara. You can actually put on lashes. I just don't wear them. And I think I might. Okay, so this one. So on Harley Quinn, she has a heart and she has the word rotten. Now, it was hard when I was on live because people were like giving me gifts and they were saying stuff, so I couldn't really see it. Yeah, I think that's better. Let's do this. So I couldn't really see it. So I'm gonna put this heart. right there. And I have to spell rotten backwards. So see that? So now I'm gonna put the lipstick on, and actually I'm gonna wipe this off because I think that this will make it better. I'm gonna wipe off that. So I wiped it off, you see? I'm gonna align my lips. Here it is. Oh, and I need to do setting spray real quick. So if I'm looking at you, yeah, because it's on the side, so it's kind of perfect. Rotten is so spelled backwards. Yes. Okay. So my eyes are messing with me, you guys, because I do not never wear my glasses, and I'm having to look around and my eyes are just like, why are you doing this to me? So the first one I'm going to use is by NYX. It is a beautiful color, soft matte lip cream, SMLC 18. I'm going over the black liner. There we go. So there we are with that one. And I'm going to go here with LA Colors. It is a Pout Lip Gloss Matte. I'm going to put it on. In the middle. Oh, I know what I can do. Put a little on top of here. Let's see what happens. So this, my dear, is the finished look for Harley Quinn. Now I'll show you exactly what it looks like. Well, let's go out with a bang. Bang, bang, bang. Here we go. Now put your best face on, everybody. I have to sing it on my own, everybody. Okay. Let's go.